Welcome to Fire and Froth. Come join us on an adventure exploring culinary delights and craft beer. Yeah, two things that make life pretty darn good. And today, we're going to show you how easy it is to make garbage burritos. What are garbage burritos? Well, garbage burritos are basically when you're hungry first thing in the morning and you go in the refrigerator and you grab everything out and you decide to make some breakfast burritos out of whatever you've got in there. Today, we took some old hash browns that were in the fridge, took some bacon, I think we threw some chorizo and some cheese and all sorts of stuff in there and made some pretty darn good burritos. So it's super easy. Just give it a watch and fire up your Blackstone or your griddle or whatever you've got. Hey, I hope you all enjoyed that episode. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Share us with your friends, and let us know. Comment down below if there's something you want to see us cook, something you want to see us brew. If you've got any beer recommendations or whatnot out there, we'd love to hear about them. And so anyway, hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Be well and stay positive. All right, see y'all.